Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. I have my robe on, I have my headband on. I am ready to do a product review and it's definitely skincare related. I got my hands on Huda Beauty's new product from her new brand called Wishful, and this is the beauty. The packaging itself is very beautiful. It has a holographic lettering and holographic lid. It is just so pretty. Like, her packaging is always so pretty. So this is called YO GLOW and it is an enzyme scrub, so it's good for exfoliating your skin. And so I have been watching videos on this. I have been keeping up with her Instagram post about this, and I was very excited to get my hands on it and to give it a try for you guys. So the main things that she has in this are pineapple enzymes, papaya enzymes, AHA and BHA, which are really great for exfoliating your skin. It does have, of course, other ingredients in there. There are actually a lot of ingredients in here, all of this right here. And a lot of the things I see are like sweet almond oil, fruit extract, and a whole bunch of other things. So definitely look through the ingredient list and see if there's anything that will react to you in a negative way. She does have fragrance in here. I believe that she said she has as little as 0.2% fragrance in here. I know she loves putting fragrance in her products. I have her foundation, I have her setting powder, and both of them have a fragrance to it. A lot of people are not all about the fragrance. I don't have sensitive skin, so I don't think this is going to be a problem for me, but if you do have sensitive skin, I would definitely say to definitely do a patch test. Actually, it doesn't matter how your skin is, you should always do a patch test just to see how a product will react to your skin. This is supposed to give you a healthy glow. It's supposed to re-texturize, brighten, and even your skin tone, which are things that I definitely need. I have a lot of discoloration, hyperpigmentation, and I do want some brightness to my skin. Actually, for the last couple of days, I feel like my skin has been very dehydrated. I mean, I drink water, but I still feel like my skin is very dry, and I normally don't have dry skin, and I definitely did not exfoliate my skin or put a mask on or anything because I wanted to give this a try, a fair, even try. On top of that, I don't think you should be exfoliating your skin every day. I would say the most you should do is maybe 2 or 3 times a week, depending on the type of exfoliation it is. There are chemical peels and things like that that you should probably just do once a week or once every 2 weeks, depending on what the product is saying that you need to do. With this scrub, she does say you can do it up to 2 times a week, but she does do it every single day because it is that gentle. So I would always say when you're trying something out, just do the minimum first and then work your way up if you want to do more. So maybe once a week or twice a week would be the best way to go for the beginning. I love a good skincare product, and based on everything she was saying, this seems like it would be a good fit, but we will definitely try this out and see how it is. I know I've been talking a lot and I really want to get into this, so let's just go ahead and get right in. So this is what the bottle looks like. I love this yellow. It's a very subtle yellow, and I love how the Wishful is in holographic. It's so pretty. And I love the cap too because it's wide enough, and on top of that I can just sit it on a table and it's not going to give me any problems. This bottle contains 100 mLs or 3.38 fluid ounces, and it goes for $39. And again, in the back it shows you that all the main ingredients in it, which is pineapple enzyme, papaya enzyme, AHA and BHA. I do believe that she said that pineapple enzyme is really good for bloating, and it is also a great exfoliant, just as well as the papaya enzyme. And the AHA and BHA is like a continuous exfoliation or a continuous peel for your skin. So it's supposed to give you brighter, even toned skin, which I really can't wait to get. And it is made in Korea. She says she went to one of the best labs in Korea to create this. And you know, lately Korean skincare has been really big and they're very good with it, so let's hope that this does miracles for my face. So the direction says to apply to clean, dry skin, which my skin is already washed, cleaned, and dried. And it says to gently massage it in a circular motion to roll and sweep away impurities. And then you just rinse it well with warm water, and you can pat it dry with a towel. So this is what the product looks like. I only put a little bit, and I'm just going to pat this onto my hand. I should have put my hair back. And then I'm just going to rub it on my face. My face needs a really nice scrub. I do believe that there is lemon in this. I would check the ingredients and see because I can kind of smell it. It smells like spa-ish. Let me put my hair back. It smells very spa-ish. As you can see, I do have some product getting all crumbled and balled up. So I do think that I don't think this is all your dead skin. I do believe that some of it is your dead skin that's rolling off, but some of it is the product just reacting and balling up. So, you know, you have some of your dead skin and then some of the product just helping to just scrub your dead skin. Trying to roll it in a circular motion. Like this is, I get a lot of dryness here lately and then a lot in my T-zone area too. So get the chin, the jawline. I do have a pineapple earring to go with this whole thing. I mean, yeah, because why not, right? And you can actually put it on your lips as well, which I am gonna do. Okay, now I feel like it's just coming off. It does look a little disgusting when you see it like that, but I'm hoping that it did get some of my dead skin and gives me like nice smooth skin. I don't want to rub it like way too much because, you know, you want to be like gentle with your skin. I feel like I took too much for my lips, but I'm going to put this on my lips too. Alright. Okay guys, so that's what it looks like. Alright, now I'm going to go ahead and wash this off with warm water and I'll be right back. Alright, so I'm back. I washed it off. My face is still wet, but I'm going to pat it dry. You always want to pat dry your skin because you don't want to be harsh, you know? Alright guys, so I washed off, I pat dry my face and it feels very soft. I don't know if it looks any brighter. You guys can let me know that in the comments, but I do like how it feels on my skin. I'm going to add some moisturizer later, but it feels nice and soft. I don't want to touch my skin too much, but it feels nice and soft. It hasn't irritated my skin at all. But yeah, it just looks nice and clean, and hopefully over time it'll give me some more brightness, even skin tone, and you know, all that goodness. First impressions, I like the scrub. It's easy. I feel like it does take away some of the impurities and, you know, leaves my skin soft, and it is an easy exfoliant. I'm glad I got my hands on this, and I'm going to continue to use it twice a week and see how that goes. This is a new brand for Huda, so I wish her all the luck, and I can't wait to see what else she comes out with. But as always, her packaging is beautiful, and I'm going to continue using this. I do feel like my skin needs some moisture. It doesn't feel dry, or you know how sometimes your skin can feel very tight? It doesn't feel like that at all for me. It does feel soft, but I do feel like it's going to feel a whole lot better once I put moisturizer and everything in, but it doesn't feel like dry, you know, but it feels nice. So she does say add moisturizer after this. Also, if you're using this in the morning, make sure you wash it off completely, because the AHA and BHA are not effective, I think, once the sun hits your skin. So so be careful with that. And also always add an SPF to your skin. It doesn't matter what the weather is outside, sun, rain, snow, it doesn't matter. Just add SPF to your skin, protect your skin. That is like one of the basic things you should do for your skin, and drink water, of course. And then figure out a good skincare routine for you guys. So maybe this can be something for your twice a week exfoliation. So I'm so glad I got to do another skincare video for you guys. I do want to bring more for you guys, so hopefully I can get my hands on some more things. I do know that Huda is going to be coming out with more products in the future, so I'm going to try to get my hands on those things as well. But if you guys are interested in this product, I will leave a link in my description. Go check that out. And also, if you like this video, please give it a thumbs up, and please subscribe to my channel and click that little bell icon so you get notified every time I upload. I thank you guys so much for watching. I love you guys so much. Bye!